Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When it comes to finding the best 12-volt portable air compressor, you want something that is reliable and powerful, yet still easy to transport and store. The best 12-volt portable air compressors are designed to be used on the go, perfect for inflating tires, pool toys, and more. Portable air compressors are a great addition to your toolbox, as they're easy to use, store, and provide the power and convenience you need when you're on the go. To make your search easier, we've compiled a list of the best 12-volt portable air compressors on the market. So if you're in the market for a 12-volt portable air compressor, keep watching to find out which is best for you. Let's begin with the best for the price, EP Auto 12-volt portable air compressor. The EP Auto 12-volt portable air compressor is a must-have for anyone looking for a convenient and efficient way to inflate their tires. Its plug-and-play design lets you connect it directly to your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, eliminating the need for an external power source. This compressor offers multiple uses, catering to the different tire types and other inflatable items. Moreover, the easy-to-read display provides precise readings in 4 units: PSI, kPa, VAR, and kgcm. This makes it effortless to monitor and adjust the tire pressure according to your needs. The built-in LED flashlight also ensures visibility in low-light situations, adding an extra convenience layer. Nevertheless, the screw-on fitting used to connect the compressor to the tire can sometimes bind, making removing it a bit slow. But this issue can be easily mitigated with a little patience and care. The next one is the best compact Fortem portable air compressor. The Fortem portable air compressor is a true lifesaver when inflating tires on the go. Its compact design allows easy portability, making it a perfect companion for road trips or daily commutes. The 14-foot reach cables are ingeniously stored inside the unit, ensuring everything stays organized and easily accessible. This air compressor is not only limited to car tires, but can also be used for various other purposes. It includes 3 nozzle attachments for sports balls, air mattresses, pool toys, and other inflatables. Furthermore, it can be used as a bike air pump, catering to a broader range of needs. This device also has a super bright automatic LED flashlight that ensures visibility during nighttime or roadside emergencies. The only drawback is that it can be a bit loud during operation, but it's not a big deal. The next one is the best technology, GSP-SCN 12-volt air compressor. This product has a double-cylinder design to reach a maximum pressure of 150 psi and inflate a standard vehicle tire in just 1.5 minutes. This makes it a perfect choice for SUVs, trucks, vans, RVs, and more. The stability technology of this compressor is equipped with rubber feet that ensure the compressor stays firmly in place during operation, effectively reducing vibration and noise. Furthermore, the direct drive motor ensures low rotating speed, high efficiency, compactness, and quiet operation. Controlling and monitoring the inflation process is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-use design of this compressor. Plus, its compact size and ease of use makes it an ideal companion for car trips, ensuring the tires stay in good condition. The minor downside is that the cigarette lighter to battery clamps connector can feel a bit loose. But with proper handling and care, this issue can be easily managed. Still haven't found a 12-volt portable air compressor that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And next one is the best convenient Carson digital air compressor. This compressor offers a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an impressive airflow of 35 L per minute. It can inflate a 195/65 R15 car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes, making it significantly faster and more effective than traditional pumps. The included accurate tire pressure gauge ensures you can easily monitor and maintain the right tire pressure. Equipped with a large, high-precision and bright digital display, the Carson Tire Inflator allows you to check tire pressure and preset desired values effortlessly. The built-in LED lights provide excellent visibility, even in dark environments, ensuring you can inflate your tires anytime, anywhere. This versatile air compressor comes with a 10-foot power cord and 4 additional nozzles, enabling you to inflate various items beyond just tires. Nevertheless, one important thing to note is that it's not suitable for trucks or motor lorries. And next one is the best display, Kenson 12-volt portable air compressor. If you need a portable air compressor that combines speed and reliability, the Kenson 12-volt portable air compressor is a top contender. Thanks to its advanced engineering and solid metal motor, this compressor delivers impressive power, ensuring super fast and effortless tire inflation. With a 12-volt car cigarette light plug and a 110-volt wall plug, you can use it anywhere, whether it's on the road or at home. This product features an auto shut-off digital gauge, providing peace of mind during inflation. It automatically stops when the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and potential tire damage. The large backlit LCD display with unit conversion makes operating this compressor safe and user-friendly. Nonetheless, the product manual could provide clearer instructions on how to use the compressor effectively, but once you familiarize yourself with its operation, it becomes a reliable and durable companion. The next one is the best connection, the Vi-Air Portable Compressor. This compressor will save you a lot of time and work because it can quickly inflate tires with a maximum diameter of 35 inches. It operates at an impressive 150 psi, allowing for up to 15 continuous minutes of usage. Additionally, with easy-to-use alligator clamps, you can quickly establish a temporary connection to a 12-volt battery power source. The included tire inflation hose comes with convenient 100 psi air pressure gauge, offering multiple functions such as air up intermittently, air down intermittently, and tire pressure check. Checking your tire pressure is as simple as turning off the compressor and checking the gauge. While the Vi-Air portable compressor has numerous advantages, the pump can become slightly hot during prolonged use. Therefore, to ensure optimal performance and longevity, it's recommended to provide the unit with 30 minutes of cooling time after each use. And our winner today is Astro AI Portable Air Compressor. It's best overall on all 12-volt portable air compressors that we researched. When it comes to quickly inflating your tires, the Astro AI Portable Air Compressor is a game changer. With a remarkable inflation rate of 35 L per minute, it can pump up your car tires in minutes. Professionally calibrated, it consistently provides pressure readings within 1.5% of your tire's actual pressure. This ensures you have precise information at your fingertips, allowing you to maintain optimal tire conditions. This air compressor also offers several handy features. The large white backlight LCD screen ensures easy readability, even in low light conditions. With its independent switch control, the integrated LED flashlight provides emergency illumination when needed. The 10-foot-long heavy-duty car cigarette lighter cord allows for convenient use, although please note that it requires a converter for wall plug usage. While this air compressor is versatile, it's important to mention that it's not suitable for high-pressure or large-volume applications like pools or inflatable canoes. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.